The topic of today's video is how to use Anydesk to connect remote desktops. Alright, so you'll notice on the top here we have a section that says your address. Now we want to get the address of the computer that we want to remote access. So go to the other computer and get that address, and you're going to input it on the top here where it says enter remote address. And once you've put in your address, hit enter, and you will be in the process of connecting. Alright, so then you'll be presented with a screen like this on the other computer, and it needs to be approved. So you need to click connect on the other device. And once you do that, you will officially have remote access of that device. And you can file share and chat and more using remote desktop control. And I'll just show you what it looks like from the other side, from the controlled desktop. So you can see that I had to hit accept before remote access was granted. And that is pretty much it, guys. That's how easy it is. Do consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.